Hey guys, I'm Justin with CBI Off-Road. Today we're working on a 2011 F150 and we're installing ditch light brackets. We'll jump in and show you the install. Alright, so we're working on the driver's side, but the process on both sides is going to be the same. One has a D on it, that indicates driver. The other one has a P, indicates passenger. And it's going to sit right in here. We do need to modify this plastic cowl just a little bit, and I'll show you that. We'll just mark it out with a Sharpie, and you can cut this with multi-tool, Dremel, a pair of side cutters work pretty well. Just whatever you can fit in there. We're gonna kind of pop it out of the way just to make it easier to cut and to video. So stay tuned, we'll get into that. Okay, so now that we got our plastic cut, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next step, which is actually installing the bracket. So I'm gonna remove this strut just because when you're kind of holding the hood with one hand, the strut will kind of fight you and want to push the hood back. So if you just kind of pull out on that tab, the strut will release. And then these two bolts down in here, they're a 11 millimeter, and we'll take those loose. Make sure you have your bracket nearby, because once you're holding the hood with one hand, you're going to need to be able to grab it and get it in place. So if it's across the shop, you're going to be out of luck. So keep it nearby, and we'll go ahead and dive in and get these bolts taken out and the strut off. All right guys, that sums up our install for these ditch light brackets on the F150. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave us a comment below. Thanks, have a good day.